What's up, gang? It's your boy Jeremy, and I'm back for another video. So today I am going to be reacting to Quibblecop watching the saddest animals on the internet. So let's get to it.
Today, guys, we'll be reacting to two of the saddest animations on the internet. I'm curious to see what this one's about. It's okay then. Oh, look at this doggy! He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this doggy. He's going to the K9 University. He's gonna be a guiding dog. He's gonna help people out, you know? He's just beautiful. He's such a cute doggy. Oh, Instinct's first place. Look at all these amazingly awesome dogs over here. Pup Academy. Oh, who's that? Oh, you gotta be. Oh no. Oh no, it's not cold enough. No! Doggy's not cold enough. Oh, he's good to go. He's good to go. Pip, this is what the animation's called. Alright, Pip. This is how. Oh, this is what you have to do, Pip. Guide the person. You got it, Pip. Oh no, Pip! I got you. All right, very nice, Pip. Nice. Oh no, you need to stop it, Pip. Pip.
Yeah, I just had to come out with my mom.
Pip. Pip isn't really good at what he's trying to be a doggy, helping people.
Pause. These little doggies are so pooping cute. Sorry for saying pooping. But I watch Quibblecop GTA all the time.
What are you doing?
So let's get back to this video.
Wow, Pip! Pip, come on, man. I don't think Pip's gonna make it.
I don't like the sad videos.
Ace leads the pack. Oh, he knows what he's gonna do. He's gonna... Oh, no, he's got it. Oh, he just needed some books. Oh, look at him. He's doing it. So is he gonna make it? This is exam day. Exam day. Let's go. Let's go, Pip. Do your job.
That man look angry.
You know what to do, Pip. You know bloody well what to do. Don't mess this up. I'm not gonna cry this video.
Pip, you supposed to pay attention,
Pip.
man.
What happened there, Pip? No.
Dang, they put my man Pip
Pip
out,
didn't
man.
make it. He tried. He tried, though. Oh.
That
Wait,
man
there's someone
crazy.
there. Help her out.
Come on, help that poor lady out.
Pip, you gotta help her out, man. And they all did make it. Aw, Pip is crying. Pip, help her out, quick! Oh no, he's the only one that can fit through there. But look at him.
Pip, come on, Pip.
He's guiding her. He's doing this. Pip is so sweet.
Pip, Pip, Pip,
Careful!
Pip.
Don't let her trip here, Pip.
I'm about to cry. Y'all, this is some sad business. The lady almost got hit by a truck. And Pip came to save the day. My man Pip.
Aww. How does she know she's in safety? Aww. Is he gonna get promoted now? Yay! I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Even though this was very heartwarming. This is sad and heartwarming and sad at the same time. Aww. He's a little doggy now.
My
A guiding
man grown
doggy.
up.
Our dog saves the day, every day, for people with vision loss and veterans with disabilities. That was really sad. I didn't cry. If you cried, that's completely fine. I'm just holding in the tears. Right over here, we're following with another sad animation. The mommy cat died, unfortunately, and it's the daddy and the son and the daughter now at the gravestone. That's sad. Troy's petite shits. I don't know. I don't speak that well French to know what that means. Oh, they're having breakfast. They're having a delicious little breakfast over there, and they remember the mommy. Oh, hello, hello. What is that? Cookies. Oh, who doesn't like cookies? Everybody loves some good cookies, you know? Good cookies for breakfast? Fish cookies. This is what cats like to live in the wild. They live like this, you know? So it seems like they're just a good family having, you know, a good time. And, oh, and the pussycat is chasing the other pussycat, and the dad is a little bit sad. Aww. He misses mommy. But the kids are there to cheer him up. Oh, it's bedtime already. Cats sleep very early in the day. And the daddy comes over. And he read them a beautiful, beautiful book. And the kitty catties, they fell asleep. But he still looks sad. Aww.
This dude acting like he knew how to tell a story. I ain't being disrespectful to Cup Cup, because that's my man. But please stop talking.
The mommy cat passed away. The kids they're also sad. Oh no, she's been coughing. No! This is bad. The cat doctor is here. No.
I'm asking the soul of my people.
Oh, this is horrible. Is she starting to crack? It's contagious. Oh boy, this is bad. This is so sad. What is it, doctor? Can you fix it? He says no. This is a disease, a cat disease that it's uncurable.
I can't take this, man. Bro, I can't finish watching this, man. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.